tread lightly. Who needs some enlightenment? The world is what you make of it. You fill it up and break it till the pieces inside you, the pieces inside you, help you find your way back home. So take it or leave it, cause I don't believe it, and you won't receive it until you achieve it. I know that you need it, I see you defeated, to grow and defeat it. Just show you're a leader and let love flow till it echoes slow and makes its way across the globe. Fly or die, well that's the way you do it, really getting by. Well what could be more stupid? Cause before you know it, your life is over. So fly or die, fly or die. At least you know you're living if you get too high. Well what could be more thrilling? Cause before you know it, your life is over. So fly, fly, fly or die. Today you're beginning the life you'll be living, and every thought and every step will take you closer to the dreams you kept deep inside you. Inside it will guide you, so keep your ear close to your heart. Well, it's easy to see it, but harder to say it. The heart of the art is to try and relay it until you can play it or show and display it to those who are waiting to stop the complacence. But let love flow as the sun sets low, cause that's the only way